Lot S167 is a 1976 Chevrolet C20 custom deluxe bonus cab pickup truck with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and factory air conditioning. And it bid to $25,000 but did not sell on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 3,928 miles, and the highlights are 350 cubic inch V8 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning, tachometer and gauges, sliding rear window, slotted aluminum wheels, and the bonus cab was a four-door pickup truck with no rear seat. A non-matching rear seat is included with sale. Original glove box sticker still attached. Original inspection, maintenance booklet, and owner's manual. And unfortunately, my camera died after 19 seconds of filming, so that's all the footage that I have of it. But I included some extra pictures of the inspection and the other items that they had. But I had to film it because this is a rare one. I don't see these too often. Basically a crew cab pickup truck back in the old days on a square body with no back seat. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.